YouTube, what's good? I'm back. It's All Star Sports 23. Back with another review video on another Air Jordan. That price is increasing, as we always do in the beginning. Hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and make a comment if you think you see something in this video that's interesting, that I could enlighten you on a little bit further. And today's video is going to be about one of my favorite movies made by Spike Lee, and it is also a Jordan, highly popular Jordan sneaker. It is the Air Jordan 13. He got game. And let's get started. And here's the box that the He Got Games came in. If you watched the Last Dance documentary series that just was on ESPN, this shoe was also featured in the silver box. It actually showed Jordan in the locker room getting prepared before a game, and he was putting these on, lacing them up before he hit the court. But just let's take a look at what the product label has for this shoe. And we have the Air Jordan 13 Retro. This pair here is a size 10.5. And we have the original colors: white, true red, black. The shoe has a product code of 414-571-104. And like always give you that product code in case you want to go on Google and get all type of information about the shoe and where you can find the shoe. And let's get started with this review. That's the flip top box. And this pair was purchased at Foot Action. And here we go with the shoe. Let me set that down for a second. And here it is. The Air Jordan He Got Game. The 13, Air Jordan 13 He Got Game. And this shoe was featured in the movie He Got Game. That's where it gets the nickname from. Jordan also wore this shoe in the 1998 season. And the reason it got the name He Got Game, Denzel Washington played the character Jake Shuttlesworth. And he was the father of Jesus Shuttlesworth. And he was trying to recruit him to go into big state. And he would get some time off of his prison sentence. And they had a relationship that was a little bit rocky. Got to see the movie to get a little bit more details. Let's talk more about the shoe, and then we'll go back to that He Got Game because it's one of my favorite movies. And this shoe, it has a red outsole, and the bottom of the shoe, of course, all the 13s, they were made like panther paws, so they call Jordan the Black Cat. That's why the soles of the shoes look like panther paws. That's what the feet are supposed to be, like a panther's paw walking around, running around the court. And then we have a white midsole with these pod type of sole shapes. They call this the pods. And then we have the front of the shoe. The toe box is black. It's black leather. The middle of the shoe is like a white, very, very soft leather with these little, almost like dots. Those are supposed to be like the whiskers that are on a panther or a cat. The tongue is black suede or nubuck. And then as it goes to the top of the tongue where the Jumpman logo is, there is a leather. On the back of the heel is also a cloth material along with the collar. And then the back is leather, and then it has a little bit of white coming from the mid. And that's what the Jordan 13 is composed of. It's a very comfortable shoe. 13s are one of my favorite shoes to wear because of the comfort. And like I said before, it's one of my favorite movies. He Got Game. Denzel Washington's character, Jake Shuttlesworth, was seen going into a Foot Locker store. They didn't name the store Foot Locker in the movie, but you knew it was Foot Locker with the referee jackets that the uniform that the Foot Locker employees wear. And he was purchasing a pair of these exact model right here. And this is just the retro version of that shoe that Jordan wore in 1998. And it's a pretty dope shoe. One of my favorite Jordan silhouettes. And the price of this shoe is also rising. The last time I checked on StockX, it was also over $300. This shoe sat on release day. I believe this shoe had a box price of $190. Did not pay that much for the shoe. I utilized my discounts. Also utilized the Foot Locker rewards. So you accumulate from purchases, and you used to get the $10 and the $20 discounts, but they had recently excluded that program with the Flex program, which is not as great as the old Foot Locker program, but that's probably the reason why they stopped it, because you were getting a lot of discounts on items from Foot Locker, but you should, because of the price of the shoes that they're charging, you should get some kind of kickback to keep you coming back into the store, make your sneakers, or if you want to get some gear, like a hat or a jersey top, you know, that would be the best route to go. But thank you for the Last Dance documentary. That documentary has put Air Jordans on a higher playing field when you had companies like Adidas with their release of the Kanye West Yeezys that were like tapping into the market for Jordans. But you know, it's 20 years after this guy retired almost, and his sneakers still have a high popularity level. I would say they're even higher than LeBron's, which I don't think LeBron's have that same mystique that Jordans have, but the LeBrons are popular sneakers amongst the generation that's growing up with LeBron. He does sell out his shoes the same, and I'm pretty sure going in the future after LeBron's career is over, you know, people will wear his shoes still as retros, but not like the J's. It's just something about the J's and that man, Michael Jordan, that makes these special. That's going to wrap it up for my video today. And if you like the video, hit the like button. Smash that notification bell so that you can get an update when new videos upload. Subscribe to the channel and make any comments in the comment section that you can. I appreciate all the good feedback, negative feedback, whatever type of feedback you want to leave. It's up to you. If you like it, I love it. Have a great rest of the day. Thanks for watching. Be safe and stay healthy. I'm out.